Are we having luck finding the rest of the ninjas? I think we're wandering for hours. We'll find them. I hope that Algar and Komodo Boy have better luck than we are. Hey guys. So, any luck? No. Yeah, sorry, Jay. We couldn't find anyone. It's alright. Really hope that we can find the rest of mine and Lloyd's friends. What the heck? Jay, Cap Boy, Jaden, this is a recording message. It looks like Eggman is back, and he's with a darker version of Sonic. His name is Shadow. Get it right. So he's coming after you guys. We think. So you guys better get moving, or else he'll target you guys. Okay? Guys, we gotta get moving. Right. But where to? Well, we don't have time. Let's get moving. Alright, Shadow. You deal with the hedgehog. Now we'll deal with the rest of their friends. Alright. Alright, guys. We should be safe. What's that sound? Oh, crap. I got him. Ninja! Yo! Oh. Ouch. Yeah, that gotta hurt. Okay, then. My turn. Clearly no one can rescue you guys now. Oh, what the heck? Kai? And is that Nya? Wow, JX Nya. That's really cute. Step away from our friend. Yeah, step away. Or I can just end you guys with one fateful fist. Fire! Alright then. Cheap shot. But it's not good enough. You think a water can stand a chance against the ultimate life form? Jeez, this guy's hard to deal with. No. Sneak the back of him and zippy. You guys may have won this battle, but I will be back for more. Dang, that guy just teleported. Well, duh. He's Shadow the Hedgehog, obviously. Are you okay? I'm fine. I'm fine too, thank you very much. Kai, bro, I'm focusing on Nya. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that they'll get married to have some kids. Yeah, like me and Ladybug over there. Anyway, it's great to see you guys. My name is Catboy. That's Cat Noir, PJ Robot, Jesse, Jaden, Ladybug, Komodo Boy, and Owl Girl. Well, my name's Kai. I'm the Master of Fire, and that's my sister Nya, the Master of Water. We've been searching for some of you guys all over. All we need to find is Zane and Cole. Yeah, so we can reunite you guys. But for now, we have to get back to the others. Wait, you guys have more friends? Yeah, you haven't met the rest. There's Tails, there's Mugman, there's Cuphead, there's Owlette, and there's your friend Lloyd. And here's the rest. Wait, Lloyd's also there? Yeah. He is. Yeah, he really have us scared. We thought he was long gone. Well, no, but we should go back to the others and hope they're alright. Come on, guys.